the title suggests, we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. If we all family members are together, there is no need to afraid. So what is the situation where the family doesn't need to be afraid? So this is an adventurous story of a sea voyage where the family, especially the children, they are not afraid when they had to face very difficult situations during their sea voyage. So the title says, we are not afraid to die if we can all be higher together. Captain James Cook, born on 7th November 1728 and died on 14th February 1779, was a British explorer, navigator, cartographer who ultimately rose to the rank of the captain in the Royal Navy. You can have a look at Captain James Cook. Now the routes of Captain James Cook's voyages, sea voyage, you can have a look at this photograph. The first voyage is shown in red, second voyage in green, and the third voyage in blue. The route of Cook's crew following his death is shown as dashed blue lines. You can have a look at this map and Suzanne. Okay. Now, introduction. The narrator, James Cook, a man of great courage, he had taken the sea voyage around the world. His commitment, his conviction proved to be the best captain as well as the best father with unending, upending gift and determination. He tried his level best to prove to be the best captain and as well as the best father. Mary, his wife, who always stood by her husband's side in all times of difficulty and considered her dreams as her own. Suzanne, his daughter, she was a brave girl. Her bravery toughened her father's resolve to fight the sea storm tooth and nail. Even when she had been hurt, she had got injury in her head, but still she did not lose courage, and she was motivating her father. She was encouraging her father to be brave. She did not lose courage. She did not lose hope. And his son Jonathan, he also shows examples of bravery, and his fearlessness in the face of death highlights his character. He always hoped, and he just remarks that we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. So he also showed a very good example of courage and hope and said that we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. Even after that, they were very sure that their end was near. Even in that difficult, in that crucial situation, the whole family, especially the children, Suzanne and Jonathan, they showed courage and they said that we are not afraid to die. Okay. On July 1976, they sailed for journey to world voyage. They tried to duplicate the around the world voyage made 20 years earlier by James Cook in their professionally built ship, that is the Wave Walker. So you can have a look at the Wave Walker. First leg of the journey, they presently sailed down from west coast of Africa to Cape Town. That went on very smoothly. They sailed to southern Indian Ocean, and then the first sign of impending disaster, they encountered strong winds on second day of Cape Town, and continued for few weeks. Waves rise to 15 meter long as high as mast. The waves were so high that he, at first sight, he could not make out that it was a wave. He thought that it was a cloud. But later on, when he realized that it was not a cloud, it was a wave, and this wave was as high as the mast of the ship. So you can imagine, children, that such big waves could be so disastrous for their journey. Okay, you must, dear children, you must remember the story of the Titanic. You must have watched that movie, that how the iceberg hit their ship, the Titanic, and the big waves that was responsible for the end of that journey. Okay. Disaster and its aftermath. 6 p.m. At 6 p.m., tremendous explosion shook the deck, and powerful flow of water broke over the ship. Wave Walker was getting sinking and the captain was badly injured. Captain kept courage, but still he kept courage and found the wheel and lined up the stern for the next wave. Now you can see that the Wave Walker, the ship you can see that it is in a horizontal horizontal position instead of a vertical position, so it was getting sinking. Crewmen shows of the unparalleled strength. They started pumping out water and set it to make necessary repairs to save the boat from sinking. They managed to stretch canvas and secure waterproof hedge cover across the gaping holes. You can have a look at the sea voyage. Other problems which arose: electric pump short-circuited. That was the main problem they had to face during their sea voyage. The water level rose threateningly. The daughter Sujane was badly injured. She had got injury in her head. And the only hope for the whole crew, for the captain, was to reach the island, which was only possible if the wind will slow down, and to reach the island Amsterdam, which is few hundred kilometers to the east. So that was the only hope for the family when they had to face a lot of problems during their sea voyage. Showing of the exemplary courage, especially by the children. Jonathan said, "We are not afraid to die if we can all be together." So this is a very important line, because this has been the title of the chapter, that we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. So he said to his father that we don't need to be afraid, because we all are together. And I know that you are the best captain in the world, you are the best daddy in the world, and you will be able to save us. Jonathan's courage and Sue's bravery instead of her burnt head inspired the captain to fight the sea and protect his family. Crucial days, January 4 and 5. After 36 hours of continuous pumping, there was only few water left. They hoisted the storm jib and headed in direction of two islands. Black clouds built at 4 p.m. and sea was getting its wave safe at last. On January 6, they saw Wave Walker ride out storm and wind east. They expected to see the island at 5 p.m. but they wake up at 6 p.m. and thought they missed the island. But actually they did not miss the island, but they were wrong. They touched the shore at island Amsterdam. You can have a look at this island, dear children. This is the island, and the total 28 inhabitants were there, and very safely they reached this island and they could have a sigh of relief. This is the picture of the island. So the significance of the title is taken from the Jonathan's remark, "We are not afraid to die if we can all be together." It brings out the bravery, grit and courage of the captain's family, and love each member has strong hurdles. So this is all about the chapter, "We are not afraid to die if we can all be together." Thanks.